I have a patient who's a construction guy, always on a ladder, so always doing funny things on a ladder, using locking up his diaphragm, trying to keep himself balanced, and he gets the most violent hiccups. I mean, this sounds like someone's murdering him for just a moment. This nasty hiccup scream kind of going on. Working his diaphragm, goes away. Keeps coming back because he keeps getting up on a ladder and doing dumb things, but I showed him how to work his own diaphragm to help.